Alright, so Professor Liu is going to teach you how to do number 1. This time we want to prompt the user to enter a number grade. So if the grade is greater than equal to 80, this you say excellent. Otherwise, is between 60 to 80 is okay. Otherwise, it's fail. So as a programmer, you want to right away be able to identify there are two groups. And you use a 60. So right now, you already know you use a 60 as a delimiter. You use 60. All right. So anything less than 60, there's only one choice, fail. We don't do anything. All right. So if that's more than 60, then we have more choice right here. More choice here. And everything more than 60, we have more choice. And this time, I use another number, and this number is 80. I use this number as my delimiter. Alright, so if you 80 to 100, and we are going to say excellent. And if you are between 60 to 80, then we are going to say okay. Alright, so understand that? So clearly, this is how many options? Three options. So clearly, what you're going to do is this. You are going to make this one as your outside if else. If else. Alright, then in your if statement, you have another if else. So this will allow you to have three options. Alright, so let's take a look how we do this right now. Okay, let's take a look how we do this right now. So first I need to have a grade right here. I initialize to 0. I need to have scanner. My object is in new scanner. Alright, so I have to prompt the user to enter a grade for me. Is that okay? So now here I usually will give me user a hint. Alright, so then here number grade, and I'll give to them is 0 to 100. You understand? So I give them hint first, but don't assume people will follow your hint. So sometimes they will watch Netflix on drug. Who knows? But we need to write a system to control them. All right, now we're going to say the real grade is come from in the next in the this is integer, so let's put next in. Okay. All right. So once we do that, and we're going to write our delimiter. If here, all right, grade, all right, is greater than equal 100. Oh, sorry, wrong way. Sorry, the delimiter is 60, right? First is 60. All right. Then this is the first option right here. Else, the second option right here. The second option is fail, so don't do anything. All right, just say you fail. All right, so we done that part right now. All right, so this is the option. Else option already done. The if option need to have another if else. So we say if, then here is this. Then we use 80 is our delimiter. Okay, then also then we do if else. Then if your grade is then sometimes even I'm lazy, but I'm not going to be that lazy. So if grade greater than 80 and you want to sys out right here, okay, and say excellent grade. It's okay. Now else, and you want to say okay grade. All right, so we say okay grade. All right, then we say you can improve. All right, so right now is 3 options. The bigger eliminator is 60. Okay, 60. And inside here we use 80. So let's run this program right now. So run as a Java application here. All right. So I put right here as let me put as 85. All right, excellent, great. And let me run it one more time. Run as Java application. Let me put this as 75. All right, okay, application, you can improve. Okay, you can improve. Now we're going to run this as one more time. I'm going to run as Java application, and I'm going to put this time is 55. You failed the class. All right. So one more time. Let's coming back. For this, you can see clearly it's 3 options. So 3 options, you need to use if else. The while, don't forget that it's in chapter 6, because after we have the looping, we don't have to run this again and again. This is not a programming, not real programming. We're going to use a loop in next chapter. It's okay. So in here, you learn the 3 options. So you need to use if else. Inside the if statement, there's another if else. That's inside if statement have another if else. So this is if else inside the if statement. Else, no. So 3 options. I hope you understand this program and you like this program.